How to get Ectoplasm in Terraria. So you cannot get this item early or even in early hard mode. It is strictly locked behind defeating Plantera in the underground jungle. And once Plantera is dead, you must head directly to the dungeon. So Ectoplasm does not drop from standard enemies. Instead, when you kill any dungeon enemy with more than 100 maximum health, there is exactly 6.67% chance or a 1 in 15 chance for a dungeon spirit to spawn from their corpse. So let's go deep into the dungeon right here. You must also kill that dungeon spirit before it floats away through the walls. So as you can see, I'm going to kill some right here, and they drop some ectoplasm right there. So this is what the spirit can look like. So if I kill it, as you can see, it drops the ectoplasm. So the spirit is guaranteed to drop 1 to 2 ectoplasms, and to farm this efficiently, clear out a large open room in the dungeon. So maybe something like this, and place down a water candle and drink a bottle potion to force maximum spawn rates. So ectoplasm is very important since you will need this to craft endgame magic gear like the Spectre armor and the event summoning moon medallions. And that is how you basically get ectoplasms in Terraria.